Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Kiriboshi Daikon. Kiriboshi Daikon is a popular Japanese food and it's more likely soul food, like mom's traditional kind of food. Maybe for the younger people, not so favorite, because when I was young, it's not that favorite things neither. But when you're getting older, you will appreciate more original Japanese food and taste. And this is dried daikon recipe, and I had a similar cooking recipe before. So probably I will put it around here. If you're interested in, please check it. And it is very tasty. The dried vegetables is very good nutrition for that. It's high calcium, dried daikon, magnesium. So I will show you how to do it today. So this is a package that I'm gonna use for today. And this is dried, so you have to soak in the water about 10 minutes. Don't over soaking, because when you over soaking, when you cook in the pot, the daikon itself is almost like melting or too soft. I'm using this one for substitute of Abura-age. This is actually Abura-age, but we don't see those style Abura-age in Japan a lot. But here in the United States, I think China or Korea has this style maybe. So I have this one, so I'm gonna use this one today. I don't peel these carrots because it's organic, and I'm cutting carrots like shape of the dried daikon, or the size of the dried daikon. This is dried shiitake mushrooms. I leave in the water formally till those get softer. This time I'm using Kiriboshi daikon is not julienne style. This is more likely triangle style, and in this country maybe you cannot find this style. You may be able to find julienne style Kiriboshi daikon, which is more popular even in Japan. So if I'm using julienne style Kiriboshi daikon, I'm gonna cut carrots like julienne. I forgot to shoot the video, put sugar here. I could have put frozen edamame here. I hope you enjoy my video today, and I hope you try to make this recipe for yourself. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.